visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Bigla na lang ng lamig, no, itong relationship ninyo or situationship ninyo. This is for singles and no labels. Okay na sana to no? Okay na sana yung flow. Medyo nagkakahulihan na kayo ng loob nitong person na ito. All of a sudden, parang sandali kahapon lang magka-usap kami, maayos pa yung nangyari. Ngayon, ramdam na ramdam yung awkwardness, ramdam na ramdam yung hindi pag-uusap, ramdam na parang anong meron? Alam kong may mali. It's actually yung nafi-feel ninyo no sa air. Ang nakikita natin dito parang may tinamad. So ayoko naman or hindi ko naman magawa no or hindi naman ako makapag-reach out, hindi naman ako makapag-react dahil wala naman kami. So nakita natin dito medyo stressed no or medyo stressful itong situation na ito. The Nine of Swords is also clarified with the Ten of Swords and pataas ng pataas and the Three of Cups. So parang kinakabahan ka, ito na ba yung end nito? Hindi pa man kami nakakapunta dun sa destinasyon, nagkasawaan na. Hindi pa man kami nakakapunta sa pagkakaroon ng talagang understanding or agreement. Parang, eto na ba to? Parang ano to, free taste? Tikim lang talaga. I don't know kung ano yung tikim sa inyo, nagkakikiman kayo, or this is just a free taste of what could have been. Pero ang nakikita natin dito, parang you're wishing a little more, no? Parang, kaya ko pa ba tong isalba? Kaya ko pa ba tong gawan ng paraan? Ayoko rin namang mauna with the strength card. Although na din yung awkwardness, merong mga sundot-sundot na conversation. However, itong mga sundot na conversation, medyo sinasabi natin sandali, parang alam mong pilit, no? Alam yung pilit yung conversation. You don't know what the real reason bakit nagkakaroon ng ganitong situation. Tingnan nga natin with the Four of Swords and the Eight of Cups. Yun nga. Parang feeling ko may tinamad tapos yung isa, o di wag na nating ituloy, no? Or parang may umarte dito sa situationship nadismaya yung isa kaya medyo nag-turn back. So sayang naman, no? Papunta na sana kayo doon. Kumbaga sabi nga ni Zian Gasa, hindi pa man sikat na laos na. Parang ganon. So you're nag-aano pa man, yung kumbaga, wala pa dun sa rurok no? Kaso, parang yun yung feeling mo nag-e-end na. So this is your reading for the singles and no labels. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Or of course, it can be your ascendant or a placement in your chart. I am seeing Leo, Libra, Gemini, Scorpio, Aquarius, Cancer. Yan, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.